When grating cheese or cleaning your cheese grater, it's very important to be super duper careful so you don't cut your finger on it because it can and will hurt. Been there, done that, never want to go back. Hi everybody, it's Mena. Welcome back to my channel, or if this is the very first video that you're seeing of me, then welcome to my channel. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you didn't already. I post Tuesday through Sunday, and today in this video I have an omelet for breakfast and story time. As you can see, I'm eating a Spam and cheese omelet for breakfast, and I am making this video because I just grated cheese for my omelet. And anyway, I had thought of this story, and I just remembered I wanted to tell it. So this is a story about how I was cleaning my cheese grater this one time. And excuse me. My apologies. Anyway, I was cleaning my cheese grater this one time and I sliced my finger on the cheese grater, which really hurt. So this will be similar to the story about how one of my Girl Scout friends accidentally grated her finger on the cheese grater. And if you want to see that story, I'll link it in the description box down below. So this is the story about how I was cleaning my cheese grater and I sliced my finger on it, which really hurt. So this is a story just to teach you guys, when you're cleaning your cheese grater, or getting the residue off, it's important to be really careful so you don't cut yourself, because the edges of those can be super duper sharp. So I'm going to get started, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So this all started, I think, about a year or two ago. This was at the time I didn't have a dishwasher. I was cleaning my cheese grater. Anyway, I was cleaning my cheese grater, and as I'm cleaning it, I'm trying to get the edges of where the cheese is kind of stuck. Funny story, I forgot to tell you guys that I made a clip of my cheese grater clip to show you guys what my cheese grater looked like. I apologize, my cheese grater's kind of gross. It's because I just used it. These are as you can see, there's some really sharp edges, and if you press your finger on it, you can cut yourself. So these are the edges I'm talking about on this type of cheese grater. This is the type of cheese grater I have. It's one of those ones you stand up, and it comes with this, and I apologize for the noise. That was my dryer. My roommate's doing his laundry right now, so this is the type of cheese grater I'm talking about, just so nobody gets confused and thinks it's the other one. So I'm cleaning it, and then I accidentally don't think, and I press my thumb against my cheese grater, and it slices my thumb. It didn't slice my thumb open. Either it was one of my fingers or my thumb. One of them got sliced. I think it was my thumb, I'm pretty sure. And I sliced it while I was cleaning it, and it cut my finger pretty bad because the edges were really sharp. So I go and grab a paper towel, and then I put it around my finger for a little bit to hold pressure to stop the bleeding. And then what I do next is once I got it to stop bleeding, I grab a Band-Aid and I put it around my finger. And then for safety purposes, I ended up putting gloves on while I was cleaning my cheese grater because I didn't want to cut any more of my fingers again or shave any of my skin off from it. My bad, that was supposed to be stop, not pause. So the moral of the story is when you're cleaning your cheese grater or anything that's sharp, it's important to be careful to where your fingers are so you don't cut them, because it can and will hurt. And if that's the case, always have a first aid kit on you. So that was the story about how I sliced my finger on my cheese grater. I hope you guys enjoyed the story. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I post Tuesday through Sunday, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye. If you enjoyed this story, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and tap subscribe.